What's up, guys? Got some new product to use here. Adam's interior detailer with Microban eucalyptus mint scent. Used to use a product called from Poor Boys Natural Look. Decided it was time for a new product. I always liked Adam, so figured I'd give this a shot. Seems pretty easy to apply. The scent isn't as strong as I'm used to. That may be a good thing. You don't want to be overbeared with a smell, whether it's good or bad, when you get into a car, vehicle. I know Jeep's not a car. Now, supposedly this Microban is good for killing off bacteria. I know Adams has another type of interior detailer without the Microban. I figured now, with everything going on, is a good time to have something that kills bacteria. This is my daily driver, so it gets dirty fairly often. Hard to keep it clean in the winter, especially here in New Jersey with the cold weather. Get the 67 Designs phone mount. That's probably the best mod that I've done to the Jeep. Love that thing. It's important to keep somewhat of a fresh microfiber towel, especially after you let the dirt gunk up for a while. You don't clean up the inside for a while. It leaves a really thick gunk on there. You gotta replace the towel every once in a while. Seems to go on a little bit better if I spray right on the panel instead of onto the towel first, which is something I'm not used to. What I used to use was much thicker, so it was better to put on the towel first. But you can see it leaves a pretty good finish on there. Alright guys, so after a day of driving this around, just wanted to point out something quickly about this interior detailer from Adams Polishes. It came out really nice. It's not as thick and greasy as much as what I usually use, which is actually nice. It has, even when I use it on the steering wheel, it did not have a greasy feeling at all. It actually almost felt clean. I guess that maybe is the Microban part. But yeah, just wanted to let you guys know that it works really well. I'm going to keep using it. Maybe I'll try different scents. If you like this video, drop a comment in the comment section, and think about subscribing to my channel because I'll have more of these coming soon. Alright, take care.